Everything comes from the earth, and if you care for it, you know, it's going to give back to you. Initially, it was like a one-crop thing that I did on the farm, which was papaya. I converted the farm after that to more of a mixed farming, where I have, you know, now orchards of avocados, oranges, lemons, and other fruit trees. So the next part of my dream was to share this farm experience with everybody. Wow! So I created the Organic Farm Tour, because from day one, everything was farmed organically, with nature, in the natural way. You can walk or drive on the pathway and see the hundreds of trees that we planted, from hardwood trees to fruit trees. See our bees, chickens, ducks, and our wonderful Fiji fantastic sheep. You will also hear about the Bulaccino farm story, how we transformed a sugarcane plantation to what it is today. Pleasure to have you here.
We are very happy.
And thank you for naming our new baby sheep. That's Mocha.
That was a gift. Yeah. I'm so blessed.
And then I'm also really happy to hear and surprised actually that cassava is like a main crop for you in Brazil, and
very
you cook
popular.
it in many different ways.
Absolutely. First of all, we love cassava. We all plant and we all cook. And we use it like in so many
different ways. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I feel home.
That's
like,
so nice.
I don't want to share all my recipes.
I'd be happy to learn how to cook it in many other ways. And this cassava cake has only 3 ingredients. It's the grated cassava, it's the fresh coconut milk, and a wee bit of sugar.